Hi, my name's Amir Samdoni, and I'm the Chief of Staff at the Philadelphia Shriners Hospital. So when we think about obtaining three-dimensional correction in pediatric deformity, we recognize that not only is it important to maximize correction that we're on the levels that we're operating on, but also very important to get three-dimensional correction to make sure that the rest of the spine that we're not operating on responds appropriately. So first of all, when we're trying to determine how to maximize that three-dimensional correction, we have to first understand the rigidity of the spine, and often we'll attain that through supine x-rays or through flexibility bending x-rays. Once we establish that, then we come up with our surgical plan and level selection, and we are really headed towards fusing fewer and fewer levels. But in order to accomplish adequate correction and overall balance, we have to get really strong three-dimensional correction in the levels that we're fusing. Intraoperatively, I like to use a high-density construct, and sometimes even for smaller coronal curves, in order to get axial and sagittal correction, you're going to have to really have high density on the implants. Similarly, doing posterior column osteotomies, I basically perform these in all patients that I treat, again, to really maximize the three-dimensional correction that's attained. Subsequent to the osteotomies and placement of our pedicle screws, I like to use two high stiff rods, usually 6.0 cobalt chrome rods, and then to overbend those rods on the concavity to really pull that concavity out and obtain sagittal correction, and then to use an underbent rod, a 6.0 cobalt chrome, to really use differential rod contouring to spin the spine to where it needs to be. Then I like to finish my correction through a combination of compression across the convexity, distraction across the concavity, with derotation occurring simultaneously. And I've been very happy with these sequence of events to attain optimal three-dimensional correction. All right, that wasn't bad. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
You guys do great work.
Oh, thank you so much. I'll take this from you, and you're free to go.
Thank you.